How to hide build info in SIS2. So first, of course, you just have to launch and open your Steam account. So the build information we're referring to can be found in your screen's lower left corner to start. Basically, this information is the day and hour when the most recent Counter-Strike 2 update was released. Now, like what I've said earlier, you just have to first open Steam and start Counter-Strike 2. Second thing to do is to simply open the dev console. It often sits next to the number one key on the left side of your keyboard. Now you just have to type this one, R underscore show underscore build underscore info, and then type false. This should be entered. Again, and after that, yes, press enter. So that's it. Now you can go back and play and see the changes after you follow this instruction. So again, you just have to open your Steam account, your application, and then kindly look for the console. And then all you have to do is just simply type this, our show build info false. And then after that, you just have to enter the key. As easy as that. I do really hope that this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.